Are we ready? It comes with a classic Chanel dust bag. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I literally I'm shaking at the moment. I can't believe that I'm filming this video right now because this was really, and I promise you, this was not planned at all. So yeah, I got something else from Chanel. And you have to know, with the Metiers collection, I said it several times before, I love the Metiers collection. It's my favorite collection every single year. I'm highly anticipating it and waiting for it, and they bring out the most beautiful and the rarest, the most rare bags. And usually what happens every single year, the day that the Metiers collection is being released, everybody queues up. Well, at least we handbag addicts, right? Everybody queues up, and by the end of the day, all the rare pieces are gone, probably within minutes. Last year when I was trying to get the golden crocodile mini, we were queuing up in front of Harrods, and the moment they opened the doors, basically everybody was storming in, and you couldn't even get a bag there and then, just like 10 minutes after they opened. So, well, at least the rare ones, like the unicorn bags, how we call them. So with this year I didn't have any hopes. I knew I wanted to get my tote, and anybody who hasn't seen my last Chanel unboxing from last week, I got the beautiful Chanel CC Tote, which was a vintage model once, and they reissued it now. And yeah, please go and check it out if you haven't seen that one yet. And that was, for me, that was the must. And I love that bag so much. And I'm so happy that my SA was actually able to get one for me, because they only received one in their boutique. So, you know, it's limited. Those bags are limited, no matter if we talk about the unicorn bags or just other bags that, you know, are just nice additions to anybody's collection, basically. The day that the Metiers collection launched this year was actually, I still had to be in quarantine that day because I came back from my trip to Germany, and basically you had to quarantine for 14 days at that time. So I was like, yeah, it's not gonna happen. I'm never gonna find this bag. I'm probably never gonna see it in person. So I didn't have my hopes up. I told my SA, well, two different SAs actually, in two different stores, that I wanted them to look out for that bag. But like, I know that those bags come in and they're gone, and that was happening this year again. Those bags came in the first day, I wasn't there, and they were sold out. So I did not expect them to get another one in, but they did. So, and it is so stunning. I've seen so many different variations of this bag, and now you already know what I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let's just get into the unboxing. But I can only tell you, like, this was not planned at all. I really did not think that I would be able to get my hands on this one, and on such a perfect one. Like I said, I've seen pictures online, on Instagram, and some of those bags, they don't show the effect they should be showing, if that makes sense, but we get into this. So yeah. Oh, okay, let's do this. Here is the beautiful box, and as you can already see, this is a lot smaller than the other one that I've unboxed. Like my big tote bag, I think the box was probably double as big. But yeah, here is the beautiful tiny little Chanel box with the camellia flower clutch. I always keep them. I just like stick them on my mirror and stuff. Just think they're really nice. I'm shaking. Yeah, it's just like, I really didn't think that I would be able to own this one. And oh, okay, so let's get into this. Here it is, and they only had one in, and I was so happy that I could pick it up. And I'm not really lucky with my boxes from Chanel recently, like they're all falling apart. Okay, so the sticker, I for myself know I'm not going to be able to take these stickers off usually without damaging the paper, but hey, here we go. This one came off perfectly. Are we ready? It comes with a classic Chanel dust bag. Okay, oh my god, I'm so hyped. So here you have the little Chanel booklet again with the cleaning cloth. But let's look at the bag first. Let me come a little bit closer. Are we ready? Are we ready? You can already see what it is. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let me try and take this off carefully as well. Oh my god, they wrapped this one so nicely. Oh. Can you already see? Okay, so wait. Yeah, I'm speechless. That doesn't happen very often. But I'm speechless. I love how they packaged it. Oh. This, people, friends, is my first ever Chanel reissue bag. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so, okay, it's really difficult with the ring light, I think. I'm even thinking about maybe switching the ring light off. I don't know if it shows you the color better then. Let me quickly get rid of all of this stuff. Okay, so here we go. It's this year's Rainbow Reissue, this year's Unicorn bag, this year's Mermaid bag. It has so many different names. I would say it looks like a bonbon, like candy as well. So let me quickly come a little bit closer to the camera. I want to try and capture this. So I know that the light is really bad. Let me try and turn this around. I don't know if it gets better then. Not really. Like this. Yeah. So here we go. Okay, so first of all, the stickers are still on the bag, so I'm gonna take them off now with you. Like, I love doing this. When I get a new phone, I mean, everybody knows that feeling, right? Taking the sticker off a new handbag or a phone. Okay, let's do this. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's like champagne gold hardware. It's unbelievable. There's probably stickers everywhere. Yeah, I do that later, but I just wanted to show you the front properly. So this is the beautiful little Rainbow Reissue, this year's unicorn bag, and I mean literally this year's unicorn bag. I'm really unhappy with the light. Maybe this is better. Okay, so can we see this? Look at this metallic crinkled leather, and the rainbow effect in this one is showing perfectly. I've seen some bags that were almost entirely pink at the front, and they had like a little blue spot here in the corner, and that was basically it. So I knew, you know, if I would be able to add this one to my collection only if the rainbow effect shows, and it does. Oh my god. It is absolutely stunning in person. I hope that, you know, it basically shows on screen as well how beautiful this bag is. But I was surprised. I mean, I watched a lot of videos on this bag before I actually saw it in person, and I saw all the Instagram pictures, and you cannot compare it. You cannot compare it. There is something about it in real life when you see it, when you have it in your hands, you know. So yeah, this is the beautiful mini reissue with the light gold, champagne gold hardware. This is the beautiful reissue chain. Let's see if we can get a close up. Here we go. There you can see all the details, and oh, I love the reissue chain. I do have a reissue in the 227 size on my wish list, just like the classic black version with the antique gold hardware, but I mean, this one is so special. Okay, so yeah, I don't know where to start. This is the bottom of the bag. This is the front, side, back, and the other side, and the top. Oh, yeah, this bag is stunning. I love purple, I love pink, and I'm so happy that basically on this side you have like the purple effect, and here you have like the pink effect, and then you have some purple on top as well, and all the other rainbow colors mixed in there. So let's open this baby up. Oh, look at this. Look at the leather. How it shines, and this is an artwork. I mean, I'm going to take this one out for sure, because I do take all my bags out, but it is more, I see it more as an investment piece, something I will take even better care of. I will baby even more than my regular bags. So yeah, let me take this out. Whoop. And It is a 30 series bag as well, which is fabulous. Oh wow, even though it's a mini reissue. Oh wow, okay, so I didn't know that. I have not had a mini reissue in my hands yet. So basically you open it up, it has this beautiful golden leather lining. So this bag is entirely lined in leather. I mean, I have some seasonal Chanel classic flap bags. They are lined in fabric as well, and my boy bag is lined in fabric. The Gabrielle is lined in fabric, the backpack as well. So having a fully leather lined Chanel bag is just, you know, it's a classic. So yeah, here we go. So you have one zipper compartment here at the back and one little slip pocket here at the front. And okay, let me show you the authenticity card quickly. It's a 30 series, of course, as well. So here's the little, can we see this? Let's focus in. Yeah, here we go. This is the little authenticity card, and it is a 30th series bag as well. So, friends, my heart is melting. I couldn't be happier. Like, I got the 2 bags I was eyeing from the moment they released all the new bags that are coming out with the Metiers collection, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, look at this. Look at the contrast at the back. The beautiful pink with the baby blue and the gold yellow in the middle and the purple. Yeah, this is a mermaid bag. This is a rainbow bag. I couldn't be happier. Okay, so yeah, I would say let's do some modeling shots, and then of course you're gonna get a review later down the road. Here is the little beauty, the special piece from this year's collection. I can't believe it. When I just see it like on the tiny little screen at the moment, I'm like, Okay, so yeah, this beauty, like all of you probably know, the regular Chanel Mini Rectangular basically comes with one long shoulder strap, and you cannot double strap that bag, except for if you basically wrap the strap around the bag, around the flap, but then it gets really short. So what they've done with this one, they have actually given it 4, are they called grommets up here? So you can actually decide to either wear the bag as a long crossbody bag, which sits definitely higher than the Mini Rectangular. You could also just wear it on your shoulder. Sits at a really beautiful height. Or, which, like, I love flap bags, you know that, so I will probably only wear it like this. And it is such a beautiful bag. It is such a special bag, and I think, like, for me, I just love wearing a long black dress, just an all black outfit basically, maybe my big black sunglasses, and then a pop of color like this. Yeah, like, my heart is really, I think it has stopped. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep you updated about the wear and tear of this bag and everything else. But yeah, at the moment I just couldn't be happier, and I'm gonna stare at it now for an hour probably. Okay guys, have a wonderful day, and I see you soon. Bye!